This is the Google Pixel 8a. It's the latest phone in the A series compared to last year's 7a. I'm going to talk about what's new, what's different, if it's still one of the best cheap phones out there. If you're all about affordability and want something great compared to last year's 7a, it starts at $499, so let's go check it out. All right, so I'm going to talk about what's different here with the Pixel 8a. I'm going to start first with the design. It kind of looks like last year's 7a, but you have more pronounced camera. Kind of borrows from the regular Pixel 8 series, and it also has a better display refresh rate. So now from 90 Hertz last year to a smoother 120 Hertz. So for gaming, for watching videos, it's going to look a lot better. Some of the other stuff you should know, guys, it still has a dual camera system. You have also a Tensor G3 processor, the same processor that's in the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. It's available in 4 different colors now. You have your standard porcelain, obsidian, but you also have aloe and bay, which of course kind of reminds me of the one I have, my Pixel 8 Pro, which I love. 2 storage options available. You have 128 and 256, which is even better than last year because you only had one option. I've been using the Pixel 8 Pro for over 6 months now. It's one of my favorite phones, and I know not everyone has the budget at $1,000 to buy it. That's why the Pixel 8a exists. You're gonna get some of those flagship caliber features, performance at half the cost. But the biggest thing different about the 8a are the new AI features, which you don't get with last year's Pixel 7a. The first one here is Gemini. You pull up the app and it kind of replaces Google Assistant if you're familiar with that, but it does more than what the assistant does. For example, here I'm going to show you what happens when I just look for an airfare to Paris for a weekend. You type that in or you speak it, it'll pull all the information, not only the flights listed, but also the prices. So for convenience, it's going to save you time, the research, and it'll do everything for you. Secondly, there's Circle to Search. You have this available on the Pixel 8 series already, but it's here on the 8a as well. It's really convenient because now you could just open up whatever you want to search, whether you're in a specific app, the gallery, or even on Chrome. You could just circle what you're trying to look for and it'll deliver all this Google search results for you. You guys probably know I like taking photos with my Pixel 8 Pro. With the Pixel 8a, the only trade-off you have here is that there's no telephoto lens, but if you're not big into that, you still have the main 64 megapixel main camera, excellent for any type of photo situations, and it's paired with that 12 megapixel ultra wide cam. Last year's Pixel 7a was great with low light, so I'm anticipating the same here with the Pixel 8a. But we'll have to wait until our testing to find out. What do you guys think? It's a $500 phone. Let me know in the comments below. By the time you guys watch this, you could read our full hands-on at Tom's Guide. Don't forget to follow us on social at Tom's Guide. I'm John V, and I'll see you in my next video.